So at the beginning, like, I was kind of worried because we didn't know if we'd be able to afford it. And like our daughter, she had a flat spot too, but she grew out of it, but his was more severe. So I wanted to give him every chance I could. I was worried that it wouldn't work because I've never went through this situation before. The treatment has honestly been great. If we had any questions, it's been answered. Towards the beginning, he was uncomfortable with it, but by the second, third day, he was completely comfortable with it. All the staff at Orthopro have been great with my son, making him feel comfortable. They play with him and make it a lot easier to come here. Don't give up hope that there's honestly a chance, and it's worth it. You want to give your child every chance to be normal. So go with them. They'll help you.